Hello guys, so welcome back to another video, and this one is for people who are looking for data analysis services. So apart from developing backend servers and full stack application and desktop applications, I also do data analysis. So what normally happens is I analyze your data, and if you want a report, I write a comprehensive report on the same, and then I can also develop an analysis dashboard. So with me here I have a sample data of a secondary school in Kenya. Of course, this is dummy data I generated for the sake of this. So we have the student name, the form, of course, from 1 up to 4. We have the gender, date of birth, class teachers, the terms, math and all the subjects, the average, and pass the attendance and the grade of that particular student. So to any person, this data is not appealing. It's not easy to make conclusive decisions on this data. So because of that, I developed this dashboard. What this dashboard does is it allows you as the user to upload that data, and then it gives you a summary statistic on the same. So you just come and click on browse, and then you upload that data, and then it's going to upload it. Then after uploading, it's going to give you a summary. So basically this is the dashboard. We have total number of students, the total number of terms, total number of teachers, the best class, of course, overall, the best class in term 4. Okay, and then you come to term analysis of subject performance, so you can select the subject, then you'll be able to know how it has performed throughout the term. Okay, and then we have overall subject performance. Of course, in term 2, you can see which subject was the best, computer, and of course when you hover over it. Okay, and then class performance per term. Here we can see that in term 1, form 3 were the best, and then in term 4 you can see that form 2 are the best. And then class subject performance per term, you can subject the subject and see which class performed the best. And then you can come to attendance, and you get various attendance, and then you have grade analysis, course per term, enrollment, class teacher performances. Okay, and then all this is custom. Okay, I designed this dashboard purely for the data I have just shown you. So that means I can design any kind of dashboard for your organization, for your school, for your company, any as long as you have the data and you tell me you want to get these statistics from this data, and then I design it for you. And then when you come to this overall, of course you can select the student, then it gives you the overall performance, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, and then you can also select them, you can also type them. Okay, and then this gives you the overall performance, of course, along with the table. And then finally you come here to the final report section. You can select, maybe you want the full report, and then you can select the format, maybe in PDF. Then you click. Now when you click on generate, at this bottom right corner here, you can see it is rendering the report. Then it's going to generate a PDF report. Then finally it has finished. Then I can just save it. It's in the download section. Then you can come to the downloads and see how the report looks like. So this is the report that we have just generated. Then you can come and let's just zoom it here. And this is the report it has generated right now. It has generated the table of contents. Okay, it has generated the executive summary. Okay, and you can see the entire summary. Okay, come to, then scroll down, and remember this report is fully custom. Okay, that means I can design the report to suit your specific needs. Okay, of course you can also use this part here for navigation purposes. Okay, so that's the full report. You can also generate a word report. It's rendering the report. Yeah, finally the report is done. Then you can still come back here and open the report. Okay, enable editing. And then you can see a report, of course, with the table of contents, all the details here. Okay, let's save it. And then you can also get a class report, cost summarizing the subjects, the mean, and so on. Save on 2. Then let's say you want to download this one and generate this one. Just let me just rename it because it's already existing. Then I can come here and where did they store it? Not this one. Okay, let me just generate it again. Oh, it's what? So it's here. Yeah, it is. Then you can see the report. Yes, so table of contents. Okay, you can also generate a PDF of the same. Just select PDF, then generate it. Okay, just rename this because okay, generate the PDF version. There it is. Then you get your report, your class report, of course. Let's zoom it. Yes, so basically that's how the app works. An analysis dashboard. So if you need a product similar to this one, I can design for any kind of industry. As long as you give me the data, your data is safe with me. I know how important data is as an analyst, and design something good for you. Thank you.